What if I told you that the carpet you're about to throw away, because it looks permanently dirty, can be restored to look almost brand new using a method that costs barely anything? What if professional carpet cleaning services have been charging you hundreds for something you can do better at home? I was ready to replace my disgusting carpet when I discovered this technique, and the before and after transformation is so dramatic that you won't believe it's the same carpet. Stay with me, because this might save you hundreds of dollars. The carpet I'd given up on. Let me show you something embarrassing. This is my living room carpet 6 months ago, stained, discolored, matted down in high traffic areas. It looked awful. There were coffee stains that had been there for months, dirt ground into the fibers that vacuuming couldn't touch. It had this dull grayish appearance, even though it was originally cream-colored. I'd stopped having guests over because I was ashamed of how it looked. I'd called 3 professional carpet cleaning services. The quotes ranged from $200 to $500, and they all said the same thing. We'll do our best, but some stains might be permanent. The 3-step transformation. Here's the exact system I used. Step 1. Deep vacuum. Not your regular quick vacuum. A thorough slow vacuum in multiple directions. Forward, backward, diagonal. This lifts embedded dirt that regular vacuuming misses. I spent 20 minutes just on this step. The amount of dirt that came up was disgusting. I thought my carpet was clean because I vacuumed weekly. I was wrong. Step 2. The homemade cleaning solution. Mix 1 tablespoon of dish soap, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, and 2 cups of warm water in a spray bottle. This combination is powerful. The dish soap breaks down oils and grime. The vinegar neutralizes odors and dissolves residue. Spray this solution generously on stained areas. Let it sit for 5 minutes. Then use a clean cloth to blot, not rub. Rubbing pushes stains deeper. Blotting lifts them out. For tough stains, I made a paste with baking soda and water. Applied it directly to the stain. Let it dry completely, then vacuumed it up. This method pulled out coffee stains I thought were permanent. Literally pulled them out. Step 3. The final rinse and fluff. Mix 1 cup of white vinegar with a gallon of warm water. Use a clean cloth dipped in this solution to go over the entire carpet. This removes any soap residue that attracts dirt. The unbelievable results. When I finished this process, I couldn't believe what I was looking at. The carpet had transformed. The cream color I'd forgotten about had returned. The coffee stains were completely gone. Areas that looked permanently gray were bright again. The carpet felt soft and fluffy under my feet instead of crusty and matted. It looked professional. Better than professional, actually, because I'd spent time on every section instead of rushing through like services do. Why this works when everything else failed. Here's what I learned. Most people's carpet cleaning attempts fail because they use too much water or too much soap. Excess water soaks into the carpet pad underneath, creating mold and mildew problems. Excess soap leaves residue that actually attracts more dirt, making your carpet get dirty faster. This method uses minimal moisture and ensures all soap is removed. You're cleaning effectively without creating new problems. The professionals charge hundreds because they have expensive equipment. But honestly, for home carpets, this manual method works just as well if you're willing to put in the time. It took me about 2 hours for a medium-sized living room carpet. 2 hours of work saved me anywhere from $300 to $500. That's a pretty good hourly rate. There you have it. How I took my carpet from gross to great for less than $10. Deep vacuum, homemade cleaning solution, stain treatment, final rinse, and fluffing. If this just saved you from replacing or professionally cleaning your carpet, hit that like button right now. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more money-saving home restoration techniques. Share this with anyone who's given up on their dirty carpet. Comment if you're trying this weekend. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. I'll see you next time. Until then, stay resourceful, save money, and enjoy your beautifully restored carpet.